Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in. Today we have with us the Zebronics Zeb-Thunder Bluetooth headphones with mic. So let's take a look inside the box. As you can see, you've got a few features that are on the box itself, and you've got more specifications behind the box, but we'll take a look at this later. For now, let's just open the box up. So let's keep that there. See inside the box. You've got a user manual, we're guessing, and the charging cable and an aux cable. Okay, so the Zeb-Thunder headphones, and along with it you have the user manual. The user manual has got also mentions the specifications of the headphones and more, so we'll keep that aside. We've got a micro USB charging cable, quite a short one at that. We'll keep that aside. And we've also got an aux cable inside the box, which is fairly long. Yeah. So there you have it. That's the Zebronics Zeb-Thunder Bluetooth headphones with mic. Thanks for watching.